A coherent and solid script is the foundation for a clear and interesting video. Rather than bombarding a viewer with a lot of ideas, you can try and tell a story that a viewer can easily follow along with. Stay focused on your message and don't go off on tangents where you discuss things that aren't related to your topic. Keep it simple. Your script should be direct and to the point in order to give power to your words. Use simple and effective wording, no complicated language, no long-winded, flowery, or overly wordy explanations. Avoid repetition of words or ideas. Cut out lines that aren't really adding any substance to your script or that are repeating a concept that has already been explained in another sentence. Even this is a great example. I didn't really even need that second line there. Repetition can lead to rambling on and on without getting to the point. The only time I would suggest repeating a concept is in a reworded way, and you are aiming for a longer script and trying to emphasize a point or explain a concept that you want your viewer to remember. Repeating the name of a company or product is okay a few times within a script, because you want people to remember what you are talking about and have the name sink in. So, in that case, repetition is a good thing. But don't overdo it. Keep your script as short and sweet as possible. Keep it clear. Make your content easily understandable. Try and ditch any vague wording you are using. Buzzwords can fall into this area, though they are heavily used in commercials. If you have to use some buzzwords, make sure your target audience already has an understanding of what they mean, including acronyms, for example, SaaS, or Software as a Service. Don't litter your script with big, intelligent-sounding words. Your script will sound grandiose or absurdly exaggerated, and just plain hard to understand. Summarize. If you have to research or edit down a client's already existing script or content, search for the big ideas within that content. Read the first and last sentences of paragraphs, since those tend to hold the most relevant information about the topic. If you can't trim down or reword long sentences, just cut it out completely. Instead, start a new sentence explaining the concept in your own words in a shorter and simpler way. Proofread and read it out loud. I always proofread what I write, and then go back again once I think I am completely done and actually read the script out loud to myself. It's also a great way to see how your content sounds when spoken.